distributes decision-making power among more deciders so that each individual decider has less power, and so collusions are more likely to be whistleblown on and revealed. Vitalik Buterin, the co-founder of Ethereum, recently made this statement in an article on his website. It displays his stance on DAOs and how he believes they are better and more transparent than the typical corporate structure. Following the Terra Luna UST crash earlier this year that resulted in a loss of over $60 billion, it looks like the issuance and use of algorithmic stablecoins will be banned. According to a report by Bloomberg, the United States House of Representatives have drafted this bill. The bill actually contains a 2-year grace period for algorithmic stablecoins that are already distributed within the community. They have 2 years to back their tokens in a different method. Coinbase and Ethereum naming service have partnered up to give Coinbase users a free username. Coinbase is one of the world's largest exchanges, and these usernames can be used instead of the traditional 42-digit addresses. Users can claim their free addresses through a Coinbase browser extension. That's all for today. Come back tomorrow to hear more cryptocurrency news.